Rampant corruption destroys the moral fabric of the nation and hurt our pride. Full stop. Besides, the policies of subsidies, reservations, and pro labor attitude have made justice and fairness their first victims, eroding our faith not just in the system but in the nation. Full stop. Subsidies have taken the country to near bankruptcy. Full stop. Paragraph change. The reservation policy has made merit so secondary that you find citizens actually paying money to get a certificate stating that one belongs to a particular group or community that qualifies for preference and priority over merit. Full stop. Paragraph change. The parallel economy of black money has become a part of our total economy. Full stop. There is a high degree of underemployment. Full stop. Millions are working in jobs well below their qualifications, training, and expertise, killing initiative. Full stop. We have lost the old values and have not found new ones. Full stop. In the hot pursuit of wants, money has become the operative word. Full stop. The family as a unit is fast disappearing. Full stop. It is not limited to me and my children. Full stop. The reason for our undoing is that we have failed to check our population growth. Full stop. Close.